Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply master file handling in Photoshop, the best setting so far. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Photoshop. Having opened up your Photoshop, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, go to Edit tab. Then from Edit tab, then what you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have Preferences, and this is going to bump up. Then go to File Handling, and this is one of the best settings that you need to take into consideration even before you start working in Photoshop. So when you get to this particular section right here, you have File Savings options. Now, from the first section right here, you have image previews. So what you need to do is to click on here and then make sure you choose this always save your image, and make sure this is checked. Save as original folder is checked. Save in background is checked, and automatically save recovery file information and every a certain minute. This is also checked. And here, make sure you choose about 5 minutes is still best for this particular section. Now you are done with file saving option. Then down below right here, you have maximize PSD and PSB file compatibility. You can click on here and choose whether you want Photoshop to ask you or always or never to maximize the PSD. But the best option here is to just leave it in ask. Then right here you have recent file list contain about 20 by default most time in Photoshop. But in this regard, you can decide to make it about 30, or you can make it about 10. Everything depends on how you want your recent list contain. And recent lists are the file that you see when you open up your Photoshop. Some of the work you have worked with in the past is going to appear in your recent list. That is just the meaning. If you like it to be here, you can put it right here. If you can decide the number of work list that you want to show in your Photoshop. So in this tutorial, simply put it in 30, simple as that. Then once you are done, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here and click on OK. And with that, you have fully set your file handling and you master how best to save your file and how to keep your list of previous work appear, just like what you see right here. This is what we mean by previous or recent workflow in Photoshop. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.